In this video, I'm going to show you how to watch videos for points on JustPlay app. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Okay, so JustPlay is a popular Android app that lets users earn real money by playing games and watching ads. The app rewards you with coins for engaging different activities, including playing featured games and watching short video advertisements. Once you collect enough coins, you can exchange them for cash via PayPal or gift cards. So basically, JustPlay makes your gaming time more rewarding by turning your leisure activities into opportunities for extra income. Alright, so once here in the main dashboard, you'll find a section of games you can play to earn coins. Tap on any game to download and start playing. So we can see that via here, scrolling left to right. So now, coins basically accumulate as you play these games. The more you play, the more coins you earn. We can also watch video ads for extra coins. So in the app's interface, look for the add a watch video option. Tap it to watch short videos, ads, and earn bonus coins. And also check your coin balance. So keep an eye on your total coin balance displayed on the app's home screen, and that's it here. And now you want to redeem your coins for cash. So once you reach the minimum payout threshold, you can convert your coins into real money and cash out via PayPal available gift cards. And also stay consistent. So come back daily to play different games, watch ads, and complete offers to boost your earning potential.